The Bharatiya Janata Party has once again raised serious allegation of a massive scam in the state excise department and has demanded the immediate resignation of Excise Minister R.B. Timapur. The BJP claims that corruption in the department has reached alarming levels, involving bribery, illegal collections, transfer rackets, and political interference. Party leader alleged that the scam could be worth nearly 6,000 crore rupees. Opposition leader R. Ashoka said that bribes are allegedly being taken to grant liquor licenses and to manage transfers of officials. He stated that audio recordings related to these allegations have surfaced and that formal complaints have been submitted to the Lokayukta by license applicants and members of the Excise Contract Owners Association. Ashoka further claimed that an audio clip involving the minister's son has also come to light. According to the allegations, each liquor store in the state is forced to pay between 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees every month. With over 14,000 liquor outlets, this allegedly amount to around 21 crore rupees per month and 252 crore rupees per year. The BJP also accused the department of running a large-scale transfer racket. They claim that officials pay huge amounts for postings, from crores for senior officer to lakhs for inspectors and constables. It was also alleged that some lower-level staff run liquor outlets through illegal arrangements. Another serious allegation is that liquor shops were instructed to stock extra alcohol for political programs involving top leaders in Hubli, which BJP leaders said encourages addiction and destroys family. R. Ashoka also questioned the leadership of the chief minister, saying that despite complaints from liquor sellers associations to national leaders, no action has been taken. He alleged that the excise minister does not have full control over his own department and that unseen forces are managing transfers in most districts. Adding to the controversy, JDS leader H.T. Manju alleged that liquor licenses for bars and restaurants are being denied based on political connections and caste considerations. He claimed that in Mandya, an applicant was denied a license due to political affiliation and community identity and was allegedly told to approach political leaders for approval. The BJP has clearly stated that these are not isolated issues but signs of deep-rooted corruption in the excise system. The party is demanding a full investigation, immediate accountability and the resignation of the excise minister. So far, the government has not issued a detailed response to all these allegations. Meanwhile, the political storm continues to grow, with opposition parties demanding transparency, justice and strict action in what they describe as one of the biggest corruption scandals in the department's history.